we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kndko 20-bar espresso machine with cold brew and milk frother. Consists of the following features: 20-bar pressure plus hot and cold one-touch brewing. Equipped with a professional 20-bar pump, this espresso coffee machine extracts rich, aromatic crema every time. Switch between hot espresso and smooth cold brew with a single touch, no complicated settings needed. Whether you crave a morning pick-me-up or an iced afternoon treat, it delivers cafe-quality drinks in seconds. Smart LED guidance for beginners and pros. The intuitive LED display tracks brewing time, temperature, and pressure in real time, while clear single/double cup icons guide you step by step. Even if you're new to home baristaing, you'll master perfect shots on your first try. Pros will appreciate the precision control for customizing every cup. Powerful steam wand for latte art mastery. The high-pressure steam wand creates silky smooth milk foam, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites. Its ergonomic design allows you to easily shape patterns like hearts, rosettes, or clouds, turning your daily coffee into an impressive work of art. Impress guests or treat yourself to barista-level creativity. Thoughtful design for easy daily use. The 1.5 liters removable water tank makes refilling a breeze, while the top cup warmer keeps mugs toasty for optimal coffee temperature. Its compact stainless steel body saves counter space, fitting neatly in any kitchen. Includes professional accessories and cleaning tools, so maintenance is as simple as brewing. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.